Welcome back to Twin Buds. Today we will make South Indian classic Pongal. For this recipe we will need rice 1 cup, moong dal half cup, 60 ml ghee and oil mix, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 1 tablespoon rock salt, half tablespoon cumin seeds, half tablespoon pepper powder, quarter teaspoon peppercorns, and quarter seeds of asafoetida, 10 to 12 cashew nuts, and some curry leaves. We'll also need water for cooking. First, let's wash rice and lentils and allow it to soak for 30 minutes. In a pressure cooker, add water 5 times the volume of the rice you added and then allow it to boil. In another small wok, let's heat some ghee and oil for frying cashew nuts and roast for 2 minutes until it's golden brown. Do it in a low flame, otherwise it will get charred. At this point you can stop frying and you can remove them from oil and set it aside. You can break the cashew nuts if you feel, otherwise you can leave them whole. When the water starts to boil, now you can add rice and lentil mixture. Now we can add the grated ginger, rock salt, and asafoetida. Let's add asafoetida. Add some pepper powder and mix everything. In the same wok that we used for frying cashew nuts, now we can fry pepper seeds. Now add cumin seeds. Allow it to roast for a while. Add curry leaves and turn off the stove. Add this mixture to the cooking rice and lentil mixture. Adding after adding fried peppercorns, cumin seeds and curry leaves, we can add them to the cooking rice and lentil mixture and allow it to cook for around 20 minutes or up to 2 pressure cooker whistles. To pair with our Pongal, for this recipe we will need 1 cup chopped coconut, 1 cup fried lentils, few curry leaves, a pinch of ginger paste, salt to taste, some mustard seeds and urad dal for tempering, 2 green chilies. First add coconut, green chilies and salt and grind it along with some ginger paste and grind it until it is done properly. Don't add the fried lentils right now. After the coconut is finely ground, we can add fried gram. At this point, you can add your fried lentils. Add half a cup of water and grind. Now the chutney is finely ground. At this point, we can temper our seasoning for the chutney. In the same wok, let's heat some oil and add mustard seeds. Allow it to crackle. Mustard seeds along with some, in the same wok, let's add some mustard seeds along with some urud dal and allow it to crackle. Now turn off the stove and add curry leaves. And add this mixture to the chutney. Our coconut chutney is now ready to serve. Now our when pongal is cooked, we can now add the remaining ghee. Add fried cashew nuts. Mix everything thoroughly. Delicious when pongal is now ready to serve. Let's add it to the plate. When pongal is now ready to serve.